How you doing, everybody? My name is Dr. Sami Baya. Please welcome back to my YouTube channel. How to make a narcissist completely obsessed with you. That's the title of this video. Creating an obsession in a narcissist is a delicate and potentially harmful process. So it's very important to approach this with caution, because attempting to manipulate a narcissist can lead to emotional, psychological, or even physical harm. However, let me give you ways you can completely make a narcissist completely obsessed with you. Number one, and you need to understand narcissism. Narcissists are people who crave constant admiration, constant validation, and constant attention. They are often preoccupied with fantasies of success, power, and attractiveness, believing that they deserve special treatment. Their self-image is often fragile, which is why they may overcompensate by seeking constant praise and reinforcement. Narcissists are highly sensitive to how others view them. Complimenting them excessively on their achievements, appearance, or intelligence can make them feel validated. They will likely gravitate towards people who make them feel superior. Narcissists enjoy when others adopt similar behaviors, values, and interests to theirs. By mirroring their actions, opinions, and preferences, you can make the narcissist feel as though they have found someone who truly understands them. This sense of connection may increase their interest in you. To make a narcissist obsessed with you completely, become a source of narcissistic supply. Remember, narcissists thrive on admiration, attention, and validation. By consistently providing them with these narcissistic supplies, you become an important source for their self-esteem. The more attention you give, the more they may feel a sense of control and validation. To make them completely obsessed with you, give them undivided attention. Narcissists often feel entitled to have others' focus. If you show that you are always there to listen and respond to their needs, they may become more attached to you. Your undivided attention will feed into their need for adoration. To make a narcissist completely obsessed with you, create emotional dependence. Narcissists enjoy being in control of others' emotions, often using manipulation to get others to depend on them. By subtly positioning yourself as someone who's there for them, they may grow more reliant on your validation. However, it's very important to recognize the potential harm this could cause. Narcissists often believe they are exceptional and that they deserve exclusive attention. So, to make them completely obsessed with you, appeal to their need for exclusivity. By demonstrating that you hold them in high regard and that you are willing to prioritize them, they might begin to feel special, which can create a sense of attraction and obsession. To make a narcissist completely obsessed with you, be mysterious and hard to obtain. Narcissists are drawn to people who are somewhat elusive, because this allows them to feel a sense of achievement when they manage to get your attention. Acting in a way that you are not completely available may trigger their desire to win you over. To make a narcissist completely obsessed with you, give them compliments in moderation. Remember, narcissists enjoy compliments, but if you overdo it, they might grow suspicious. Complimenting them at key moments or highlighting their strengths in a subtle way can make them feel admired without over-saturating the interaction. To make a narcissist completely obsessed with you, flatter their intelligence. Narcissists often take pride in their intellect. By acknowledging their brilliance or expertise, you can stroke their ego and make them more invested in your admiration. This might encourage them to seek you out for their validation needs. To make a narcissist completely obsessed with you, engage in power dynamics. Narcissists love power and control. By subtly allowing them to feel in control of certain situations, you might increase their attraction to you. This could involve yielding in conversations or letting them lead, creating an environment where they feel they are calling the shots. Narcissists are often looking for external acknowledgement for their accomplishments. So to make them completely obsessed with you, provide validation for their achievements. Celebrate their victories, even the small ones, or praise their skills. This can increase their attachment to you. They see these validations as proof of their worth. To make a narcissist completely obsessed with you, avoid showing vulnerability. Narcissists tend to exploit the weaknesses or vulnerabilities of others. To avoid being manipulated, it is wise not to reveal too much personal information or emotional needs early on. This prevents them from using your vulnerabilities against you in the future. To make a narcissist completely obsessed with you, create a sense of competition. Narcissists are driven by competition, and they like to feel that others are striving for their attention. By subtly engaging in activities where they perceive you as a potential rival, you might heighten their interest in you as they enjoy the chase. To make a narcissist completely obsessed with you, become their confidant. Narcissists often have an inflated sense of self, but they are paradoxically insecure and they require validation from others. If you act as someone they can confide in, you can become an important part of their emotional supply system, increasing their attachment to you. To make a narcissist completely obsessed with you, keep them guessing. Narcissists thrive on unpredictability. If you are consistent in your praise and attention one moment and distant the next, it will keep them on edge and interested. However, this approach can create emotional volatility. So it's very important to proceed cautiously. To make a narcissist completely obsessed with you, engage in power play. Narcissists often gravitate towards relationships where they can maintain control. Allowing them to feel superior in certain situations might cause them to fixate on you. However, be mindful not to surrender your own boundaries or self-worth in the process. To make a narcissist completely obsessed with you, show them respect and adoration. Narcissists value respect and admiration above most other things. By showing them that you hold them in high regard and express admiration for their talents or skills, you will likely trigger an increased obsession as they enjoy being revered. To make a narcissist completely obsessed with you, don't challenge their authority. Narcissists generally dislike being challenged or confronted, as it undermines their sense of superiority. If you avoid direct confrontation and agree with them on most things, they will perceive you as an ally, fueling the attachment to you. To make a narcissist completely obsessed with you, recognize the harm of manipulation. Ultimately, trying to manipulate or control a narcissist can backfire. Narcissistic personalities are difficult to manage in a healthy relationship, and attempting to trigger obsession could lead to emotional manipulation, gaslighting, or abuse. The best course of action is to seek a balanced and healthy relationship where mutual respect is the cornerstone, and to avoid excessive attachment or dependence. Remember, narcissists are driven by their need for control and admiration. Rather than seeking to make a narcissist obsessed with you, it's better to focus on self-respect, self-worth, and healthy emotional boundaries. Healthy relationships are based on mutual respect and understanding, not manipulation or unhealthy obsession. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you've learned a thing or two. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not done so. Thank you.